Welcome back, YouTubers. We're back with another video. Today we're working on a 2010 Infinity G37. We're doing a power steering pump. All right, go ahead and check out the comments. I'm going to put the part number on it, eBay. So pretty much first steps first. Take off the intake, just the screw. And then it pops out. You're gonna have a few more holding it up. After that, you'll be ready for a cold one. Cheers. Like I said, guys, this is gonna be just a quick video. So once you expose this area, to drain it, what I do is I just go for this main bolt, and it's a 24 mil right there. Loosen it up. You're gonna lose some fluid. You're gonna have two washers, so make sure you don't drop them. One's gonna be right here, and the other one's gonna be on the top of the banjo bolt. So pretty much just take that off, and then the next thing is gonna be the bell. You could use this tool. I bought it at Harbor Freight cheap. I'm gonna put a link in the description for that bad boy too. So once that's completed, get some pliers or needle nose, grab this off, wedge it off, pull this hose off, and then after that you're gonna have 12 mil up here. Also take off 210. Let's see here. This flash is not on. There we go. A little light here. You're gonna have a 10 here, another 10 right here holding the fan, and after that just disconnect it and pull up, kind of push towards the motor, and it's gonna drop down a little bit. But yeah, make sure you have a little catch pan in the bottom. You're gonna lose all the fluid. And I just put a paper or a plastic bag over the alternator so you don't get it out, you know, full of junk. So after that, you're gonna have to remove this, and then this bottom bolt right here. There we go. So this one's going to be a different size. This is going to be a 14. Yeah, 14. So the top one's going to be a 10. And you don't got to take these other two off. You can just do it once you have the pump off. So after that, you just kind of wedge it, or just get a pry bar. Put it right here, and you just pry on it. It's gonna come. Here, come hold this right here, man. Just like that. And just like that. Got it. After that, you guys just put it right here. And wedge it out. There we go. It has these dowel pins that make it real hard for it to adjust. So there, this one here. But that's it, you guys. So that's the old one. You're gonna have to go through the pulley for that bottom one. Oh, this one right here. You have to go through the pulley to get to it, but that's it. And just clean that up. So